watch this video and we're going to learn how to draw this. It has me hopping with joy. And later we're all going to sing a song together. Are you excited? It's Artie's show.
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Oh, I didn't see you there. Hello, and welcome back to Artie's show. I'm Artie, and this is the show where I teach you to draw. You can either watch me draw and just enjoy that, or you can draw along. So you might need some paper and some marker pens or a crayon or a pencil, and we can have fun. It's gonna be awesome.
Good day, Artie.
Hey, Artie, how's it going?
I'm so excited to start. Are you ready? Are you excited? Then let's begin.
Hey, Artie,
Oh, hi, Bobby.
how's it going?
Great, thanks.
Wow, I don't know what that is, but I already love it.
Oh, thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Coming up, there's going to be a song. It's really fun. You don't want to miss it. Oh, I know. Let's have a little break and sing a song. That'll be fun, don't you think? Yeah, let's do it.
I saw the sky was gray today. No snowflakes fell, just clouds that stayed. I pressed my nose against the glass. I told the clouds to hurry fast. I whispered, please don't let this pass. We need the snow, it's Christmas Eve. I really hope it snows this Christmas. I really hope it falls tonight. We'll make snow angels, build a fort under twinkling still get stuck in all this rain. The chimney's cold, the fire's low. No frosty air, no fluffy glow. How can it feel like Christmas Day? Oh, 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 oh. Oh, skies above, won't you deliver a gift of white that makes us shiver?
Wasn't that a wonderful song? I loved it. Okay, let's carry on with the drawing. Painty! Oh no! Painty!
Uh-oh.
Oh, Painty! You made a big mess everywhere. I'm gonna have to clean that up. I'll do it after the drawing. Well, I think I'm finished. Now it's just time to colour it in. Should we do it? Come on, let's colour it in.
It's coloring
I did it all today. I drew, I sang, and I coloured.
Tomorrow you're gonna need a marker, but until then,
Have an Arty day!
Thanks for watching Artie's show. We're so happy you came. Please come again. Bye-bye for now. Have an Arty day.